This is how much money I made with Amazon KDP for the month of April 2023. And therefore, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and help you to earn money online. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for the great support lately. As you can see, we are over 1,100 subscribers. Before we start with the video, let me know in the comment section down below, how was April for you guys? How many books have you sold? How many royalties have you made? I'm very interested in your results for the last month. So right now we are at the order section on my Amazon KDP dashboard. As you can see, I was able to sell 701 unit for the last month. All of you guys know I'm very transparent with my sales, with my royalties. So let us compare April to the month before, so March. And as you can see, in March, I was able to sell 840 units. So this is a decrease of almost 17%. At the beginning, I was a little shocked with this result because I didn't change anything on my books or my prices. So it was a little bit surprising that the sales decreased by almost 20%. But with a little distance to the KDP business, it was clear why the sales and the royalties decreased this hard. As you can see, the beginning of the month, so the first 7 days of April were very good. I made a lot of sales. I had a day, as you can see, on the 4th of April where I sold over 50 units at a single day. And then after the 6th of April, you can see the sales decreased very rapidly. And I was thinking, why are the sales decreasing this hard? It is clear. First week was the week before Easter, and in Germany or around the world, the Easter holidays are very attractive to buy a lot of presents, to buy a lot of books as gifts. And therefore, this was the reason why I made a lot of sales at the beginning of April and only a few sales after this Easter holidays. Maybe you made the same experience like me. I'm very interested in your comments. Did your sales drop exactly like mine after the first week of April or not? I'm very excited in your comments. So now I want to show you how much royalties are my 701 sold units. So right now we are at my royalties dashboard from my Amazon KDP business, and as you can see, for the month of April I was able to make 4,194 euros or $4,622. And if you have a closer look at the beginning of April, this is what I meant before. The first week was the pre-sale week for the Easter holidays. And as you can see, the royalties were very big in this first week. I had a day at the 4th of April where I made over $300 in a single day. And then, as you can see, the decrease after the Easter holidays, because the people, they bought their gifts, their presents for Easter, and then they were satisfied. So there were not a lot of traffic on Amazon. So it's completely normal that after a holiday like Easter, the sales drop, the royalties drop. And leave me below in the comment section down below if your sales dashboard looks the same like mine. Again, we compare April to March. And in March, I was able to make 4,973 euros. So again, like the orders, I had a decrease of 16% in my royalties. But as we will see in a few seconds, this is not a big problem because, as I mentioned, after the holidays, after Easter holidays, there's not a lot of traffic on Amazon. So it's clear that the royalties dropping after these holiday days, but also keep in mind that the advertising costs decrease too. And therefore, let us jump right into the overview how much my advertising spend for the different marketplaces was for the month of April. So again, I made 4,194 euros and had an ad spend on the German marketplace of 1,108 euros. On the American marketplace, 55 euros. On the France marketplace, 362 euros. And the last marketplace, the Spain marketplace, 45 euros, leaves me with a nice profit for April of 2,622 euros. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is my income report for March. If you haven't seen it already, I will link it in the right hand corner. As you can see, the royalties in March were higher, but in the same way my advertising spend were higher. So in March I made a profit of 2,656 euro, and right now at April I made a profit of 2,622 euros. So $30 less compared to almost 1,000 euros royalties less. So always keep in mind, at the end of the day, you want to maximize your profits and not your royalties. So it's completely okay to make less royalties, but have the same amount of profit at the end of the month. So right now we are at the end of this video. As I mentioned in my videos, I hope that those income reports keeps motivating you to build your Amazon KDP business, to publish a lot of books in a lot of different niches, and helps you to keep consistent in building your passive income stream. So thanks again for watching this video. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe, and then we will see you in the next video.